Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to develop a reading routine and unlock your inner potential. Introduction: what is a reading routine and why you should have one? Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge and increase your understanding of the world. By having reading routine, you can make sure that you are constantly learning new things and expanding your horizons. A reading routine is simply a set of habits that you establish in order to make sure that you are consistently reading books, articles, or other materials on a regular basis. It can include setting aside time each day or week to read, setting goals for how much material you want to read each day or week, and choosing specific topics or genres of books to focus on. Having reading routine will help keep you motivated and focused on your goals, as well as ensure that you are always learning something new. 5 simple steps to establishing a daily reading routine. Establishing a daily reading routine is a great way to increase your knowledge base and stay informed about the world. Reading can also help you become more creative and productive. Here are 5 simple steps to help you get started with establishing a daily reading routine. First, set aside a specific time for reading each day. Second, decide which type of material you want to read: books, newspapers, magazines, etc. Third, select the topics that interest you most and focus on those. Fourth, create a list of books or articles that you would like to read in the future and start working on them one at a time. Fifth, make sure to review what you have read so that it sticks in your mind and reinforces your learning process. With these 5 steps in mind, setting up a daily reading routine should be easy. 3 benefits of having an effective reading routine. Reading is an important part of any successful lifestyle. It can help you stay informed, expand your knowledge, and even impact your career success. Establishing an effective reading routine can help you take advantage of all these benefits and more. Here are 3 key benefits of having an effective reading routine. 1. Improved focus. Developing a consistent reading habit will help you stay focused on the task at hand. This improved focus will help you better understand what you're reading, which can lead to increased comprehension and retention. 2. Increased knowledge. An effective reading routine allows you to explore new topics, gain insight into different perspectives, and learn new ideas that can be applied to various areas of life. 3. Enhanced creativity. Reading helps stimulate your imagination and creativity by giving your mind something to think about outside the box. This enhanced creativity can be useful in problem-solving situations or when coming up with innovative solutions to complex issues. The best resources and tools for building your ideal reading routine. Reading has been proven to be one of the best ways to acquire knowledge and develop new skills. Setting up an ideal reading routine is essential for the development of any individual. To make it easier for you, there are numerous resources and tools available online that can help you build your ideal reading routine. From finding the perfect book or article to tracking your progress and setting goals, these resources and tools will help you get started on building a successful reading habit. Conclusion: start developing your personalized reading routine today and unlock your inner potential. Reading has long been considered an important part of personal growth and development. It can open the door to new ideas and perspectives, expand your knowledge base, and even help you become a better writer. But with so much information available online, it can be hard to know where to start. Developing a personalized reading routine is one of the best ways to ensure that you're getting the most out of what you read. By taking the time to identify your interests, set achievable goals, and find quality sources of information, you can begin unlocking your inner potential today. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos.